Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. I just want to say thank you all for 6,000 subscribers, man. The channel was growing, but let's hop right into this, guys. Okay, so I wanted to show you, a couple of different methods that you guys can do. Right now, we are in the NBA playoffs. If you guys watch, a little bit of NBA, we are in the playoffs right now. So thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and make a playoff content locker. Okay, so I'll have to show you guys the actual thing because this right here is too big to show on there, but I'm gonna walk you guys through this. So I stumbled up across this article right here. Is really nice looking and it gets a lot of traffic. Okay, it's going into the the playoffs and the 76ers and all that stuff. And so what I wanted to do is go here, you right click view page source. Alright, you hit on if you're on a laptop, you hit Control A, copies the entire thing. Right click, copy, open up your WordPad on your computer and go ahead and paste that in there. Right, so you got it all right here. So you go straight to the top, and now we need to grab our content locker. Okay, so when you come here, right, you want to create new content locker, and then I'll click on edit and it'll bring you to a page like this. Right, you want to name it whatever you want to name it, whether it's NBA playoffs or whatever it is. It could be golf or whatever. Of course, I always told you guys to do human verification. I put NBA playoff exclusive, and it says to access this content we need to verify that you are human. Fill out a survey below. So then I got this picture off Google. I just typed in playoffs, grab this picture. So how you can do that is you just right click, copy image, and then paste it right here. It'll paste automatically. So that's how you get that on the content locker. You can change that if you want to, but I don't really care too much about that. Access time, they can access it up for as long as you guys want them to. I'll just say forever. Allow scrolling, you want to click that. Okay, if you want to allow them to close it, I say no, because you want the content locker to pop up. The load method on this one, we won't do on click, we'll just do on the page load. Now tease time, I told you guys this is the amount of time that they can access the page before the content locker pops up, so we'll say about 4 seconds. Okay, and then when you click on style, you don't have to worry about background image since we already added an image. What colors do you want your offers to be? How many offers do you want? So we'll say 5 offers. Okay, you don't have to really worry about any of this. Mobile, you don't have to enable a mobile locker. It usually check. You can uncheck that if you want the content locker to be the same all the way around. Advanced, you'll put the redirect URL link to the website that you find. Okay, and then from there, I think that's about it. Yep, I think that's it. Alright, and then so we'll go over here, we'll click save. We'll let's see, we'll preview it just to see if it's right. So it'll come up in 3 seconds, and this is what it looks like. Okay, human verifications, playoffs. Okay, I like that. Nice. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to go back to, we close this out, go back to our content locker, click get code right here. You'll click get code, and then you'll just copy this one right here, this small code in this box. Right, and we'll just paste that right here at the top. Okay, and then we'll on the laptop hit Control A, or just hit all the way copy, and then we'll go back to CpaGrip. We'll go to URL lockers, create a new locker, continue. Then we'll go over here to advanced, and under custom HTML, we'll click this. We'll go ahead and create it, or you can preview it, but I'm just going to create it. I'll get the link and then I'll show you what it looks like here. in a new window. So we'll open up a new window, we'll paste that, and this is what we get. Okay. They scroll for a little bit. Once it loads up, they'll be able to continue to scroll, and then they can't click off of it. The page didn't completely load all the way. Probably should let it tease for a little bit longer. But now you have your locked NBA content. Okay, so you can post these on. Let's go to Google, and if you type in NBA discussion forums. Okay, now you want to filter. You want to go to tools, and you go to anytime and go in the past 24 hours, the past week, or the past hour. Normally I usually do past hour or past 24 hours. As you can see, they just posted somewhere in here 24 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago. You can go in here to people that are, discussing certain things, and just, talk to them and say, hey, have you checked out this, the playoff link or whatever it is. People will click on it. They'll start, browsing the thing. They'll go through the content locker to see what else is on the other side, and you have yourself, some commissions. All right. So that's one way to be able to get you, a nice content locker on, that's how you lock whatever website you want. Okay, for the most part. So that's for the NBA playoffs, since it is something that's trending, something that's very popular. Another thing that you can do is go to Google and type in who's hiring discussion forum. Okay. Now if you click on tools again, make sure you go in the past hour, you'll click on this. Now let me show you how powerful this is, right? What you can do is you can come here, and as you can see, the freshness of it right here is 1 day ago, 5 years ago. So we're not worried about these. But look at this. 1 minute ago, someone just posted. 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. And these are all type of different topics. So what you can do is you can look through these topics and make a content locker around it. Right? And let's see how many people post and votes. Let's see if we can find if anyone actually said anything here. Yeah, people are actually commenting. But this one looks like a year ago. So let me back out. And let me click on a different one. Okay, so this one was 5 hours ago. So that means people are in here still commenting. 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago. 1 hour ago. Yeah, so just 1 hour ago. And all you have to do is click reply. And then it's going to post you as an economist, so you don't even have to make a page. So for instance, if I just put this, let's say I put this link, even though it doesn't matter, I could just do that. And they post the link in the discussion forum. So let's say I wanted to, I'm not sure if I can even delete this, but whatever, it's in there. Let's say I wanted to, write something about whatever it is they're talking about and say, hey, check this link out. They'll be able to click it. They'll go straight to the page. They'll be able to look on here, and then, the content locker will pop up. You guys see how powerful that is? And so when we go to Google, and we type in, our discussion forums, these are people who are talking about certain things right now. So when I did the who's hiring thing, let me go back to tools so I can show you guys. The past hour. And they have tons of these different, boards. But I click on this one because it usually tells you, the freshness of it. People that have been on 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. So let's talk about, let me see, John Wick. Yeah, some of these are like 2 years ago. So if you start to see 2 years ago, then just exit out. Best race, 5 minutes ago. So someone just commented in here 5 minutes ago. So if you had anything, relative to these, and this one it isn't, it's going to keep getting more and more people commenting. I'm not sure exactly what some of these topics are, but you can go through here and look through some of these topics, find one, create a content locker around it with some great information, and then you're good to go. And so what I was telling you guys is whenever you find a website that you like, all right, let me go back to Google. Whenever you find a website that you like, that you want a content lock, so let's say cooking recipes, I don't know, something like that. let's say you click on a nice website that looks really good. This website, it's okay, but it has a ton of cooking recipes on it. Yeah, it actually looks good now. Okay, so let's say you have all these different recipes and you want to run an ad to this. You right click, same thing, view page source, right? When it gives you all of this, you control A on your laptop or computer, or if you don't have that, you just gonna have to copy and paste it. You pretty much copy it. You would just go to a notepad, paste it in there, go make your content locker, paste your content locker at the top, then throw it back into CpaGrip, and you're good to go. You have now locked the content, okay? You have now locked all this content, and these are all nice recipes that people can use. I'm actually probably get this website to my wife. It actually looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and bookmark this page. I like that because I think I'm gonna send that to my wife. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much how you can, lock some good content from any website. That's how you can do it. And as far as the playoffs right now, guys, if playoffs is really trending, okay, so if you want to really find out what's trending, of course, we know, go to googletrends.com. So I'll just type in Google Trends, and you can pretty much find out what's trending. You can go ahead and lock some content around it. All right, so you go to Google Trends, and they'll tell you right now, in the past 7 days, this is what's trending. So right now here, recently trending, John Wick. You remember when I told you guys about the whole movie idea with the Avengers? John Wick is coming out. I think it's already out. So you may not be able to catch that one because I think it just came out. So just think about the new movies that's coming up. Arnold Schwarzenegger's trending, Armed Forces, Grumpy Cat. They got tons and tons and tons of different things that's trending right now. Look at these searches, 200K searches. Imagine how much traffic you can get. 100K searches, especially if you run an ad and your ad is at the top. All these searches, all these, is coming to you because you're at the very top. Oh wow, 1 million plus searches for Grumpy Cat. What is this even about? Grumpy Cat is dead, but will live on through AI. Wow. So they're pretty much creating an artificial intelligence cat or something like that. That's crazy. See more playoff stuff, the Bucks. So yeah, guys, just come through here, see how many searches this stuff gets, find out what you want to lock. If you find the article, because I think they give you the article. I just clicked on this baseball one. So this is what's trending now. Since it's trending, we can go ahead and copy this entire website and lock it up for people who are interested. They're searching for this stuff. Yeah, a simple right click, view page source, copy the entire thing, put the content locker at the top, and you got yourselves a trending site that's getting upwards. That's getting upwards to how many searches? Let me see. Let me click. See if I can click on a different one. This one gets 50K searches in like right now, 3 hours ago. So when was this posted? Let me go back down if I can find it. 1 day ago this was posted and it started getting 50,000 searches. Some of these was posted 4 hours ago. This one was posted 45 minutes ago, already getting 200K searches. So these are some of the things that you guys can do to lock your content up. Okay, so keep grinding. If you want the CPA course, it's below. If you want the CPA software, it's below. If you just want a one-on-one coaching with me, click the link in the description that says my #1 recommended way. I have all kinds of stuff. I actually have a super huge course coming out that has some amazing stuff and wealth strategies in it. So I'll be bringing that to you guys pretty soon. But other than that, thank you for the 6,000 subscribers. Hopefully this video helped. If you have any questions, comment below this video so I can make a video specifically for you that can help you out. Other than that, that's all I got. Peace.